Let's start with a sample question, like we'll create a single choice question. Let's say what is BuddyDental? I add that question. Now I will add some random answers. So I've added 4 options. I know BuddyDental is an online dental course platform. So if that is the correct answer, I will select correct over here. That will indicate that this is the correct answer out of the 4 options that you have given. Now what you can additionally do is help the students understand why this answer is correct, and you can mention a soft note over here. So when the answer is when the question is published and the student selects this answer, he'll get this keynote. Now this can be used to explain that particular option, why it is correct. Similarly, you can add an explanation note why the other answer is incorrect. Probably that answer is correct for some other question on the course, but not for this particular question. So you can mention a quick explanation on the quiz over here. We'll add a multiple choice in the same way. Now we are asking for numbers between 1 to 5. We know the correct answer is 2 and 3. We'll select that. Rest are the incorrect answer. So that's how the multiple choice works. A user has to select both the answers to get this particular question correct. Similarly, you can add a true or false, or an item match, or a keywords, or a fill in the gap. If you want to know more about it, you can drop in a mail to us and we can explain you. Otherwise, it is pretty much self-explanatory how to use these particular quiz options on the website. But majorly the quiz generally have a single choice or a multiple choice, and that solves maximum of the quizzes that generally go into any kind of quiz that we make on the website.